You could also concatenate strings using the plus equals operator. You can see here in this example we have the example variable which equals hello, and you see here we have a space. You know the reason for what we have a space here. And then we have said here example, so our example variable add or plus equals, so to the existing value that's stored in, add this value to it. When we deal with numbers, we will just add, or we will just do the math. So if, for example, we do have here the plus operator, and when we did this with numbers, we would just add the number. So for example, if we had here stored 5 and then we would say plus equals 10, the new value would be 15. But of course we cannot calculate with strings, so in this case we will just add this line of code or this text. We'll just add them to the existing one. So we see here we have hello, we have here a space or a gap, and with the plus equal sign we just add this one word to the existing hello. So remember, just like in where you're using numbers, plus equals means that you take whatever is on the end here and add it to the variable. So in our case this should print out in the console hello world. So let's have a quick look. So let's say console.log and say example, and if I now click on run, we should see hello world, what we do. So it's correct. So let's do another example down here. I have here a variable called test, and now I'm gonna give her a value or set it to let's say first sentence. Okay, and then I put here a space, and now let's add some new value to it. So let's say test plus equals first sentence, and now what would make sense of the new book? I don't know, I'm just giving you an example. So if we will do the console log here again and put in test and we click on run, we see first sentence of the new book. This sentence doesn't make any sense, but we have used it to explain the usage of the plus equals operator on strings. So that was the plus equals operator with strings, and I'm gonna see you in the next lecture.